going to show you how to pay up your RRR invoice, and the only app that you need to do that is the Remitter app. So I'm quickly going to show you how to get that app on the Play Store. The app is available on the Play Store, and if you get to the Play Store, you can just simply type Remitter. And as you can see, this is the app I'm talking about, Remitter. Let me just quickly circle that for you so that you see. So that's the app, but it's already installed in my phone. So I'm going to go back and then open it, the one that I've installed. I'm going to open it, the one that is already installed on my phone. I'm going to open it. So this is the app now, this one that I just circled. So I'm going to open it now. So I just open it. So if you can see the interface of the app, you see that there are a whole lot of things that you can do with that app. But that's not my interest now. That's not my concern now. The one I'm interested in is this one that says Pay RRR Invoice. This one that I just circled, and that's the one that I'm interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So I just clicked on that, and it's saying that I should enter the RRR invoice. So I've already paid for one already, but let me show you how it goes. So I'm going to get an RRR invoice code from somewhere. So I'm going to get it from somewhere. Yeah. So let me copy one of this one that I see already. This is the one that I've paid for, that is showing approve. This one that is showing approve. So I'm going to copy this second one, so I can just show you how to go about paying for it using that Remitter app. So I'm going to copy this RRR number, RRR invoice number. So I'm going to long click on it and then copy. So I'm going back now to my Remitter app. I'm going to paste it there. I just pasted it there. So I'm going to click on proceed. Now as you can see, it has entered what I'm actually paying that RRR invoice for. That's it. It's a payment on Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria. I'm going to click on proceed. Now you can see it has shown me the summary, the payment summary. So I'm going to click on alternate payment methods. So let's just give it some time to upload. So I can choose a whole number of methods to pay that invoice with. I can use card. I can use bank transfer or card. So if you have a card, you can input all your details. You can input all your details in all these feeds that you are seeing here, and you can pay with. But if you want to use bank transfer, you can click on this. You can click on this very one, bank transfer. Let me click on it. Are you seeing it? So it's saying that I should go ahead and make the payment, and there is a timer there, a countdown timer. So within 30 minutes, if I don't make this payment, it will elapse. And these are the payment details. So all you need to do is to copy out the details, make the transfer to that account, and then click on this I have sent payment, this, and that is how you can actually make payment you can actually pay for your RRR invoice using this remitter app. So I've actually made that payment before, so that's why I'm not going to go ahead to pay it again. So if you like the content of this video, you can as well like and subscribe. It will go a long way to encourage me to continue to bring out very juicy content. Thank you very much for watching.